Tracing back to Dutch settlers in New York, donuts have transformed from simple olie koeken to a beloved global treat. These sweet, circular delights, perfected over centuries, have become a staple in bakeries and breakfast tables around the world. So, how do they do it? Donuts can originally be traced back to Dutch immigrants in New York, known as New Netherland. The Dutch made olie koeken or olie koeks, which are early versions of donuts. The transformation to the ring shape we recognize today is often attributed to Hanson Gregory, who in 1847 reportedly created the first hole in a donut for even cooking. During both World Wars, donut lassies served donuts to soldiers, solidifying their place in American culture. The creation of donut machines by inventors like Adolf Levitt further popularized them, leading to the establishment of famous brands. One of them being Krispy Kreme, which started in 1937 and is known for its unique recipe and fresh, hot donuts. Now, we know where they come from, but what goes into making them? Well, donuts are made from basic ingredients. Flour provides the base, sugar adds the sweetness, eggs bind the mixture, and milk adds moisture. For those airy, cloud-like donuts, yeast is the magic ingredient, fermenting slowly to create a light texture. On the other hand, cake donuts rely on baking powder or soda reacting quickly to heat for a quicker rise and a denser crumb. Krispy Kreme's donuts are distinctive due to their secret flour mix and specific yeast strain, which together produce a uniquely soft and subtly sweet product. This careful selection of ingredients results in the signature taste and texture that sets Krispy Kreme apart from other donuts. The journey of a donut from raw ingredients to a delightful treat involves a meticulous process, starting with the dough. Remember when we talked about yeast versus baking powder donuts? Well, there are actually three main types: yeast-raised, cake, and the third one is biscuit. Yeast-raised donuts begin with a mix that's allowed to rise, creating a light, airy texture. Cake donuts, denser and crumblier, use baking powder or soda for leavening, while biscuit donuts offer a flakier, layered texture. Mixing the dough is crucial because this is where gluten development happens, giving the donuts their structure and chewiness. This step needs to be carefully managed to ensure the right texture. Too little mixing and the donuts can fall flat. Too much and they become tough. Once the dough is ready, cutting and molding come next. Special machines stamp out uniform shapes, ensuring each donut is consistent in size and appearance. This streamlines the process and maintains the quality across batches. Frying is where the magic happens, transforming the dough into golden, puffed-up delights. The oil's temperature is key. Too hot and the outside burns before the inside cooks. Too cool and the donuts absorb too much oil, becoming greasy. The aim is a perfect golden brown finish with a light, airy interior. The final step is glazing and topping. A waterfall machine is used that pours glaze over each piece, ensuring a thin, even coating that adds just the right amount of sweetness and shine, making them irresistible. This process enhances the flavor and visual appeal, drawing in donut lovers with the promise of a perfectly sweet bite. Once donuts are ready, they're gently placed in hygienic packaging to keep them fresh and intact during their journey. They travel to stores in temperature-controlled containers, ensuring they arrive as perfect as when they left the fryer. At Krispy Kreme in particular, the Hot Now sign lights up to signal fresh donuts are ready, drawing customers in for a treat. Inside, you can watch donuts being made, from dough to delicious finish, adding a sprinkle of excitement to the experience. It's all about bringing you that warm, fresh donut experience, no matter where you are. Did you know the Donut Corporation of America once created the National Dunking Association? You heard that right. It was all about dunking those sweet rings into your favorite drink. Now let's talk about flavors and innovations. From the classic hole in the middle of the trendy cronut and hearty donut sandwiches, there's always something new. Donuts aren't just an American favorite. Over 10 billion are enjoyed worldwide every year. With endless flavors and styles, from sugary sweet to savory delights, donuts have truly taken the world by storm, making every bite an adventure. Donuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're a symbol of culinary innovation and comfort food around the globe. But the journey doesn't end here. Next, we'll dive into the world of coconut oil. Click here to discover how coconut oil is made,